Also, one thing I think is good to think about is like intercropping, doing things together. That really helped me boost my production on it because I had just an eighth of an acre, and when I was in full production, and like tomatoes and basil together is awesome. I never planted an individual bed of basil because every single one of my cucumber and tomato beds on both sides was just lined with basil. And then I liked it too because the shade from the tomato helped the basil not flower as quickly.
Right.
That was a nice little side benefit. But you can also do radishes and beets, green onions, lettuce. That all works really well next to your
Nice.
tall growing stuff. Another really good one that I figured out that was awesome, that you don't need the paper pot transplanter to do it. I was lucky enough, I was able to borrow one because Diego Footer lives in San Diego. So
Oh yeah.
he let me borrow one to just mess with it and stuff. So, but you could do this without it. So it's lettuce, green onion, and radishes. So lettuce and radish are like 30-day to maturity. Green onions are more like a 50 to 60-day.
Right.
So I did green onions, like 3 rows, green onion, green onion, green onion. And then down in between those rows, I did lettuce. I harvested the lettuce out after 30 days, and then I direct seeded radishes in their place. So then the final harvest, I harvested out all the radish and the green onions at the same time. So in 60 days, I was able to get 3 crops. And I felt like that was a pretty cool combo. Like when you're operating on these smaller plots and maybe you're not getting as much diversity as you want, it's a way to get a more a larger mix of crops with the same space. So thinking about that, whenever whatever crops that you need, like you're doing a lot of broccoli that has that higher profile. So maybe there's lettuce or something else you can throw underneath, some
Right.
herbs or
Yeah.
so thinking about that spacing, like the super low crop, you got your medium, and then you got your tall tomatoes and stuff, and fitting those things in those vertical spaces as well as a way to get more on a small plot.
Right.